Traditional detachable probe thermometers use a screw-on connector to attach the probe to the unit. Whilst this is very easy to change, it is let down by not being completely waterproof. Your thermometer needs protecting not just from water, but also steam, condensation and humidity in the air. The fact is that even if your thermometer is IP67 rated, that means nothing if your probe connector isn't also IP67 rated. This is one of the big advantages of the ATFX410 thermometer from Klipspringer. This thermometer uses a unique LEMO connector to connect the probe to the unit, which is also IP67 waterproof rated. It is, however, very important that you ensure this is correctly sealed so that absolutely no moisture can get in between the probe and the unit and penetrate the electronics. To change the probe, we recommend that you use the AEB60 cap change tool from Klipspringer. Firstly, twist the cap anti-clockwise 90 degrees to unscrew the cap. Slide the cap down the wire about 2 centimeters and carefully pull out the plug-in connector away from the unit without twisting. Do not pull on the probe cable to remove the probe from the unit. When attaching a new probe, ensure that the pins in the metal LEMO connector are correctly aligned with the pins at the base of the thermometer unit. Push the connector towards the unit until you feel a click. Slide the protective cap back over the connector, lining the cap lugs up as you do so. Turn clockwise to lock into position. Again, use the cap change tool if required. Perform a final visual check and remember to check the calibration accuracy of your new probe and thermometer combination before putting it into circulation.